One sec, bro.
The what?
One sec. Somebody take my glasses off my face.
Take your glasses?
Panic attack, bro.
I got you.
I mean, I gotta be honest with you. I just can't believe this, man. Is that my family baby nurse? Y'all have her detained right now?
Who?
Say it again?
The baby nurse, the Filipino woman that was in the back seat. Y'all have her detained right now?
Yes, she's being detained at this point.
All right. Can you, did the officers explain what's going on while we're out here?
Not really, man.
All right, so we got a
Yeah,
call
I
basically.
heard somebody ask me if I passed the note.
Yeah.
This might have been one of these doors.
So basically, we got a call, and from what we got the call, it seems like someone was trying to rob the bank. Something about you passing a note to the teller, something to that effect. Can you just tell me what's going on? Or?
Yeah, bro. It's a medical assistant that works in my house that prefers to be paid in cash. Every time I make a withdrawal to pay her, you know, because it's a large amount, she works a lot.
Yeah.
You know, if I don't write down on the note how much I went out, and then I don't want it ran through the money counter right there at the desk, the whole bank ends up looking at it because they just ran money going through the money through the account, and I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe getting money out like that. So every time I go to withdraw it, you know, I put the amount, the account I want to take it out of, and then I put my own card in, and then they usually take me out like always just get the money from me. You know what I'm saying?
Gotcha.
I don't understand.
So you make well. That's like I said. That's the reason why we're out here, and that's the reason why we detained everybody, because we didn't know exactly what was going on. So you make.
But I was trying. I mean, I gotta be honest with you, man. Y'all never asked me what was going on.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, we in those situations.
Where's your ID? In this pocket? Is the ID in this pocket?
This ain't tight.
Just one sec, bro.
Sir, so the reason that we don't...
Give me a sec, man.
I got you.
Hey, do you need to get some fresh air? You need to take the mask off for a second to get some fresh air? Okay.
I got a 5-month-old baby at home, bro. I don't want to take my mask.
Because he's not giving you your ID?
Well, so I said to hold on for a minute. According to, he's trying to explain that the reason why the note is what it is because it's making a withdrawal for a large amount. Excuse me. For a large amount. So he's always doing this. I don't know.
Okay, so this is the thing. The teller, she started to freak out. So she didn't even match the accounts with his ID that she gave him. So I need to double check to see if that's even the account, his account. You see what I'm saying? Because if that is his account, then what is he doing that wrong? You see what I'm saying?
It's the note.
Beside the note. So
Give his ID.
We just, while they're getting you guys out of handcuffs, hold up.
I stated to the officers that arrested me that had their Glocks out.
Yeah.
That I was pulling money out of my own account.
I understand.
I put my own bank card in there before the lady went in the back. You know what I'm saying?
So we have to confirm that. You gotta understand, we don't come out because of the seriousness of the call. We don't just come out, and unfortunately, in a situation like that, you don't get the benefit of the doubt. We detain and then we ask questions later. That's exactly what I went inside for. So you can take them out. The other people are handcuffed.
Yeah, I got it.
So that's why we come out with weapons. That's why you're detained, and then we ask questions later because of the nature of the call. So,
Say it again, sir.
It's nothing for me to say, man. Like I gotta get all y'all names.
Yeah,
that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah,
That's
no
fine.
problem.
Y'all got cards?
No, we don't have cards, but we'll.
Yes.
If
Give
you
me something, man.
you got
get all
something
that
to write
information.
on, do you have anything?
I'm not reaching into nothing, grabbing nothing with y'all.
No,
So y'all can give me something to write down on, and y'all can put it down.
All right.
See if you can give you some paperwork and then
We'll
you can
get
do
you
that.
something to give
All right.
you.
I'm sure you have some stuff in the car that you can write
I'm not
down.
reaching in there, bro. Like y'all just came in. Yeah. Ryan had guns drawn on me in a while, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get my own money out of my own account.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like I gotta. I don't know if she ever had been arrested before. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if my team's ever been arrested before. You know what I'm saying? Like I Like it's a
Oh,
I
you
got-
have the keys?
I got the keys.
Oh, so you give her the keys.
it's a major problem, man. And the officers that was arresting me, I was trying to communicate that with them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I got y'all reaching for my badge. I got my ID hanging on my hip.
I got you.
You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
It's hanging on my hip.
Yeah.
You feel me? Like it's not. Like I gave him my bank card. You feel me?
Yeah.
Like
But do you understand where we're coming from?
Do you understand that we didn't just show up here and draw guns on you? We showed up because the call came in.
I understand
Yeah.
that somebody fucked up.
Yeah.
That's all I know right now. You know what I'm saying?
I got you.
I know I'm out here trying to make a movie. You know what I'm saying? In Atlanta. You know what I mean? I didn't have to write letters to Stacey Abrams for the whole internet to understand why I'm here. You know what I'm saying? My work is employing 1,000 people here. You feel me? And I'm trying to take care of some personal business. And I get 2 hammers drawn on my back turn, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know who made what call, who did what, but I just had guns drawn for taking money out my own account.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you.
And my t-shirt and my baby nurse is getting thrown in the back of the car, bro, handcuffed. You know what I'm saying? It's a problem. I need everybody's name.
They're writing all your.
I need everybody's name. You know what I'm saying? And I need to find out who made that call in there.
Okay.
You know what I
It came
mean?
from the bank.
Yeah,
Came from the
I need
bank.
to find out who made the
That's
call.
fine. That's fine. You have all right to do so.
Yeah, I got.
But I just want you to understand what my sergeant advised you on the nature of the call. That's all I need you to understand.
Have you ever
Okay?
considered speaking to them before you make a transaction like that? Have you ever had something like this happen?
Have I ever been arrested?
No.
Wait, what?
Listen to what he's saying.
Have you
Listen.
ever?
No, I am listening.
Okay. Have you ever considered speaking to them about what it is you're trying to do prior to doing?
So can I explain something to you, bro? I went to CVS out here the other day to get a vaccine. I came outside and smelled like smoke in the parking lot. You know what I'm saying? I was getting a vaccine.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to fuck around out here, bro. Like I'm not saying out loud how much money I'm taking up. That's why I'm writing down.
I'm not talking about speaking to somebody like that. I'm saying, hey, can I speak to a manager in an office somewhere? Have you ever considered doing something like that?
I'm gonna consider it now that y'all fucking drew guns on me. I was trying to take money out. But up to this point, at every Bank of America I ever gone to in my entire fucking life, just never happened.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying?
I understand.
So y'all explaining y'all perspective, right?
Yeah.
Y'all the ones with guns and vests. You know what I'm saying? What's my perspective? What's my perspective?
I know
At the bank, she never said it was a fucking problem, bro.
Yeah.
I said, hey, is that gonna be okay with you? She said, yeah. I put my own card in, put my own pin in. She asked to see my ID. I gave it to her.
Yeah.
And she goes in the back, and I'm waiting for the and then the people keep coming out. Hey, they taking care of you. They taking care of you. Everything, it's taking a little while. Next thing I hear fucking Glocks.
Yeah.
I hear Glocks getting pulled out. That's what I hear.
You're a Glock.
I hear Glocks getting pulled out from unholstering. Hey, sir, can I talk to you for a minute? You understand what I'm saying? So you see my perspective.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I mean,
how many officers you got on there?
it's not, man. I mean,
Yeah, there's 5 of us out
There's
here.
5 of us out
So this.
Can you give them the case number regarding that?
here. Yeah.
That way
I don't. What's the case number? Say it again, sir.
They're not giving all ID.
It's gonna be with that. No, it's totally up to you if you want to speak to the gentleman whatsoever. If not, that's fine.
It was a misunderstanding. Is that where I'm going? I had just walked through the door. So.
Got you.
So basically, it was a misunderstanding.
Pretty much, and he's on a different level as far as the heightency of his anger and everything. He's very calm at this point, but he's really upset.
Totally get it.
So if you want to say something, that's fine. If not, that's fine
Yeah.
as well.
And then I'm gonna have my.
And I'll give you a report number, case number. Sir, this is the branch manager. I just came out. This is the teller information right here. This is the branch manager, like I told you, and this was the person that was in charge before she came to work.
We walked through the door. I walked through the door after the incident. However, it doesn't. I'm gonna have my market leader reach out to you. His name is Josh Roberts. He runs the West Atlanta area. After reading the note that you passed this young lady, she is fairly new. I did coach her because it could be very well a misunderstanding. You are only asked for your cash to be discreetly given to you. You didn't want it. And I do apologize sincerely for myself being who you are. You're a young black man, but 2, for Bank of America. I can't explain how that happened, She's with child and she's emotionally high. She's going through her own thing and it has nothing to do with you. And I think it just hit her differently. And I do apologize because she wasn't seasoned. And when I walked in, it was already in motion. The police walked in right behind me. So before I could assess the situation and put a hand around it, they were putting you in handcuffs. So I do apologize sincerely. I do ask that Mr. Roberts, I would like you to get his information, if that's okay. He would like to reach out to you as well. His name is Joshua Roberts.
You say it's the marketing, what did you say?
He runs the whole area of West Atlanta for Bank of America.
Is that what it's?
Is that okay? Can I give you that information? Okay. Let me go get my phone because I don't have it on me. And I'll bring it right back and give it to you, okay?
Do you want him to go inside or you want him to stay outside?
It's up to you.
I'm just trying to, I still
You
got
still need to pay. We can take care of that. Well, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take care of him.
Okay.
If you could just hang back so he have a comfort level, if that's okay, they can hang back a few minutes or
Let's
not.
turn it up to the gentleman.
I'm going to bring you in my office and I'll take care of your transaction for you.
Hey, Greg. Excuse my wife.
Yes.
Hey, Greg.